Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this Evastar Queen bed frame with storage. It also has a headboard and 4 drawers, which I think is great for extra storage. This is a metal platform and of course the bed frame is included, and it also has a charging station, which I think it's super convenient, and it's an easy assembly, and I got the color black. And first of all, I must say this bed was very simple to assemble. Of course, you have to follow the instructions, but the instructions are super clear and everything comes numbered so you don't get confused. So assembling the bed is super easy, especially with the super easy to read manual. What I also love about this bed is that it has these shelves in the top. Will you see later in the video, but overall the bed is super sturdy, and I really liked it, and I loved the fact that it was super easy to assemble. So yeah, as I said, this bed has a 2-tiered storage shelf, so these are great for storing everything you usually would put on your bedside table. You have extra storage, and as I mentioned, also, it has a built-in charging station. This has 2 AC outlets, 1 Type-C fast charging outlet, and 1 USB-A port, which I absolutely loved. So this is great for organizing your room and making it look like more organized. And I also love that it has 4 drawers in the bottom of the bed, so that's also more extra storage. And the metal frame of the bed can hold up to 1,000 pounds, so it's super sturdy. And here I'm just almost done with the assemble of the bed, but these are the drawers, which are also super easy to build, and I love that they have the wheels, so it's super easy to pull out or just put them in again. And once you connect the extension from the outlet, you can connect whatever you want. And this is the final result. I must say, I absolutely loved this bed. It looks super cute. I think it's so organized. My room looks so pretty, and I absolutely love these drawers. So I can store extra clothing, or I just have a ton of storage in this bed, which I find amazing. And here I'm just showing you guys that you can use the charging station to charge whatever device you want. So overall, I feel like this bed is such a great quality bed frame. It has a ton of storage, and I love that it has to connect whatever devices you want, and it has a ton of different options for the outlet. So if you were interested in purchasing a bed, I think this one is such great quality, super easy to build, and I just absolutely loved the way it looked, and it just makes me feel more organized in my room. So definitely check it out. It's such great quality. I absolutely loved this purchase, and I would totally recommend it.